Camping with Hegy and friends. Yeah, anyway, what do you even do while camping? Not yet, Barry! Not yet! I don't mind Barry. Morgan, what do you think we should do? I'm a bat who likes to eat cookies. I like cookies and I'm a bat. I'm gonna fly away. Whee! Whee! Well, Morgan went for a little trip. That's nice. What about you, Marshmallow? What do you do while camping? Squeak. Well, that was useless. Anyway, let's ask somebody else. Yes, my camping. Not yet, Barry! My camping expert, Nettie. What do you do while camping, Nettie? Are you a nut? Yeah, I told you, she's a little bit nuts. Nut! Straight battle, see you! Not yet, Barry! Not yet, Barry! Okay, what's my ass, Nutty? Nut! Okay, no. Weightlifting kitty, Carol. What do you like to do while camping, Carol? Lift weights, meow meow. Lift weights, meow meow. Protein shake, meow meow. Lift weights, meow meow. Sleep. Power nap. Lift weights, meow meow. Lift weights, meow meow. Protein shake, syrup. Lift weights, meow meow. Power nap. You know, this could honestly go on forever. Let's get to the next person. Person! The cat. She's a cat. They're Hegy, so we're best friends. Machine, what do you like to do while camping? Okay, I think that's our answer, folks. Well, that's all for this. Not yet, Barry! Sorry. That's all for today's episode of Hegy Camping. Not yet, Barry! Bye!